Have you ever been at the airport, standing in front of the check-in counter, and suddenly your mind goes blank?
You want to say something simple in English, but the words disappear.
Maybe the staff member asks you a question.
And you think, oh no, what do I say?
Your heart beats faster.
You feel nervous.
And you just hope the conversation ends quickly.
If this has happened to you, don't worry.
You are not alone.
And today, we are going to help you feel calm and confident at the airport.
Yes, from check-in
To security,
to the boarding gate.
real English,
Simple English.
and real-life dialogues you can actually use.
So the next time you go to the airport,
You will know exactly what to say.
and you will feel confident speaking English. Hello, everyone.
And welcome to our channel,
Everyday Spoken English.
the place where you learn real English.
The kind of English people use every day.
At the airport,
At work,
with friends.
and in real-life conversations.
If you want to speak English with more confidence.
You are in the right place.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our new lessons.
Also, if you enjoy this episode,
Give the video a like.
it helps the channel grow.
And it helps more English learners like you find these lessons.
All right,
Let's start today's topic.
today we are learning airport English.
From check-in,
To boarding the plane.
imagine this situation.
You arrive at the airport.
You have your ticket,
You have your passport.
but you still need to talk to people.
The check-in staff.
Security officers.
And the boarding staff at the gate.
The good news?
Most airport conversations are very short.
And they follow the same pattern.
That means you only need a few simple sentences.
And once you learn them,
You can use them at almost any airport in the world.
today we will practice those sentences together.
Step by step,
Slowly.
clearly.
And with real dialogues.
Ready?
Let's go to the airport.
Step 1.
Arriving at the check-in counter.
This is where you give your passport.
And drop off your luggage.
Let's listen to a simple conversation.
Hello.
Hello, may I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you.
Notice something important.
The sentence, here you are.
This is a very common English phrase.
You say it when you give something to someone.
Like a passport.
A ticket.
Or a document.
Let's practice.
Say it with me.
Here you are.
Again.
Here you are.
Now the conversation continues.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes. I have one suitcase.
Great.
Let's repeat the useful sentence.
I have one suitcase.
Try it now.
Pause the video if you want.
And say it out loud.
Ready?
Say it.
Nice.
Very good.
Now another common question. Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
Very simple.
Very short.
Let's practice.
Say it with me.
Yes, I did.
Again.
Yes, I did.
Now the staff may ask another question.
Window seat or aisle seat?
A window seat means you sit next to the window.
An aisle seat means you sit next to the walking space.
Let's answer.
Window or aisle?
Window, please.
Or you can say
Aisle, please.
simple.
Polite. Now let's do the full dialogue again. Listen carefully.
Hello. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
Window or aisle seat?
Window, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Great.
Very natural airport English.
Now it's your turn.
Imagine you are the passenger.
I will be the airport staff.
Answer my questions.
Hello. May I see your passport, please?
Good.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Nice.
Window or aisle seat?
Excellent.
See.
You can do it.
Now you finish check-in.
Next step.
Security check.
At security, the officer may say,
Please put your bag on the belt.
or,
Take off your jacket.
or,
Take your laptop out of the bag. Let's practice a mini dialogue. Please place your bag on the belt.
okay.
Take off your jacket, please.
Sûr.
Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
Simple answers.
Short answers are normal at the airport.
You don't need long sentences.
Just clear ones.
Let's practice.
Say these sentences with me.
Okay.
Sure.
No, I don't.
Again.
Okay.
Sûr.
No, I don't.
Great job.
Now, you pass security.
Next stop.
The boarding gate.
At the gate, you wait for your flight.
Soon, the staff will make an announcement.
You may hear something like,
Flight 247 to London is now boarding.
when it is your turn,
You go to the gate desk. Boarding pass, please.
here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
So simple.
So natural.
Let's practice the key sentence again.
Here you go.
This is similar to, here you are,
Say it with me.
here you go.
Now, let's do a full airport journey dialogue.
From check-in,
To boarding. Hello. May I see your passport?
sure, here you are.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Window or aisle?
Window, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Security check.
Please place your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Take off your jacket.
Sure.
Boarding gate.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
See?
Airport English is not difficult.
You just need the right sentences.
And practice.
Now let's talk about something important.
Fear,
Many English learners feel afraid to speak.
especially in places like airports,
Why?
because the situation feels serious.
People are in a hurry.
The environment feels stressful.
But remember something important.
Airport staff talk to people from many countries every day.
They hear many accents.
Many levels of English.
They are used to it.
They don't expect perfect English.
They only need to understand you.
That's all.
Learning English is like learning to walk.
When a baby learns to walk,
They fall many times.
but they don't stop trying.
And slowly,
Step by step.
they become stronger.
Speaking English works the same way.
Small conversations.
Short sentences.
Little by little.
Your confidence grows.
So don't wait for perfect English.
Start speaking now.
Use simple sentence.
Use clear words.
That is real communication.
Before we finish,
Let's quickly review today's lesson.
first,
At check-in, you can say,
here you are.
I have one suitcase.
Window seat, please.
Second,
At security, you can say,
okay.
Sure.
No, I don't.
Third,
At the boarding gate, you can say,
here you go.
thank you,
Very simple airport English.
but very useful.
Now we want to hear from you.
Imagine you are at the airport.
Write a sentence in the comments.
Maybe something like,
Here you are.
or
I have one suitcase.
practice writing it.
Practice saying it.
The more you practice,
The more confident you become.
if you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like this video.
subscribe to our channel,
Everyday Spoken English.
and share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
We create these videos to help you speak English with confidence.
One conversation at a time.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye.